So in this video, I want to guide you how to create a game on QuickUp Ninja. The game here for this platform is a quiz game where you have to answer questions and you keep winning and you keep winning. So let's get started. You go to this website, QuickUp Ninja. So once you go to this website, kindly register if you have not registered. Or if you have done that, you go to login and log into your account, and here we get started. Or you can use any of these Google or Facebook to log in to your account. So I have account already with this platform. So I'm going to go ahead and so I can log in. Okay. So now this all are my games created on this platform, and the game are all quiz game. If you can see this AD quiz game, Nigerian quiz game, English questions and answers, physics quiz game, biology quiz game, mathematics quiz game, and the rest. So now these are the example of how you get started. So now if you log in, if you have not created any game, but you won't see anything here. Down here, all this will be empty. You're going to see where it says create a new game. So don't worry if you don't have an idea, I'm going to give you some ideas. So this the sample of the templates. So you can see this is asking who is this person. So okay, so now let me use any of the templates. Okay, let me use this template. No, let me use this template. So one thing about this, it has a supported method where you can use AI to create the game for you. So here you can see asking you which of the language you want to use. So for me it's English, so click OK. But for you, if it's not English, you have the choice to choose to which of the language which you want to use. So here you can see automate content creation by ChatGPT, generate text questions and answers in bulk with all preceded with all on precedent. Okay, and so for me, I think I can use this chat GPT. I can go with this. So here is asking the sample of the questions which you want. So I think let me write uh okay, let me put it. Okay, let me put Champions League. So I think I have created something like that before, but no problem. So this is just a demo. And you click generate. It's going to generate answers, and you keep adding, maybe to generate from number 1 to let me see 15. You click load, so that you have many questions and answers. You can see you keep on adding. After you have added, also don't forget to check each of the questions and the answers, because to be sure of what you're doing, also always go back to check that if you use ChatGPT to create the questions and answers. Okay, so if you also want to do it manually, you can also go ahead and be adding the questions and the answers itself, and that is how it works. So I think for the sake of the tutorial, maybe I'm going to leave it at 100. Once done, you click OK. So I still let me add again. I think it's okay. 88. Okay, let me add one more. then we move. So I hope you are learning something new. Okay, with this game, okay, so we have which one or three. So with this game, you can monetize it as well. So you can publish the game on App Store. With this game, you can monetize with hard mob. So this platform, it doesn't allow other art company or website to integrate their art with their platform. So it's only hard mob that is allowed. So it's still loading, as you can see. As you can see, it's still loading. Still loading. Okay. So I've clicked OK already. So as you can see, it's loading. Once it's done, and we're going to check the integrate in the how to integrate with AdMob. So okay, okay, still loading. This is taking longer time. So that is how it works. It's going to take time because it's ChatGPT trying to do all the work for us. So this is how if you did the same thing, you're going to wait for a moment for all the questions to be on the hub dashboard. After it's done, you have the right, the privilege to check out all the corrections you need. You need to check very carefully to be sure of what you're doing. So I'm still waiting, still waiting, still waiting. That's so I hope you like this video. I hope I'm teaching something new and you are learning something here. So be sure if you're creating, make sure you create something that will make a living, that will make you a living. Like you can earn a lot of money from this app. So, but the only thing you have to do is your commitment towards trying to apply all the knowledge which you have gained, not only from me, but from everyone. Because the good thing about this for you to earn, you have to publish your game on App Store. The free App Store which I have used is Amazon App Store. And if you want to get more user quickly, you can use Google Play Store, but you have to pay $25. So once your game is unique and your your game is unique, you're good to go, then you can make a lot of money from AdMob. The one thing about AdMob, because it's a good platform, so it doesn't give access to people just like that without you publishing your game in any supported app store. So AdMob cannot tolerate your app, so and you won't get approval at all. But if you want to get approval, I know many of you are not getting approval because the reason being you have not published it on supported app store by AdMob. So if you go there, you're going to see some of the supported app store. So that is what you need. You need to do the needful by publishing your app in supported app store. Okay. So that is it. So our game is here rated, and let me check. So what will we name the game? Okay, okay, let's pick my okay. Let's leave it. Is the pick and let me put because it's about Champions League. It's about Champions Champions League quiz. Yes, Champions League quiz. Okay, check what has settings. Okay, so yeah, I can put the Google at this place, so you can check some other settings as well. Okay, so you can see some other settings as well. You check carefully if there's a need for you to add more settings. Then you move the icon. So let me get the icon from here. Okay, let me get the icon. Can I use this one? Yes, let me use this. Okay, okay, so okay, let's upload it here and see. Okay, okay, I use this only one. Okay, yes, so you can see it's been here. Okay, so can use this icon, so you can see it's here showing the name. Okay, so you check all the necessary settings. Okay, so once it's done, you can also do some color changing as well from here. If you need, you can change. Okay, this one fine. Okay, I think this one is okay. Yes. So here, okay, check some other. The background is okay. It's okay. I download the coins. So you can also allow users to pay money in order to complete the game process. You sell coins to them as well. So here, the connected app store will give you the privilege for you to sell the coins, and you get your commission, and the app store as well will also get some commission as well. So if you want to monetize with AdMob, this is where you can monetize with AdMob. If you click here, you're going to put the AdMob app ID first, because please, I teach you from the other video where I show you the difference between the app ID and the hard unity ID. The hard unit ID is different from the hub. The hub itself have the ID, while based on the different types of art, the banner and the rewarded art and native and the rest has their own hard unit ID. So it's different. I have shown you that. So I hope you like the video. If you have learned something new, kindly subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. Thank you.